Hi Ladybirds, welcome to another fun day of your home learning. So today's date is Tuesday, the 23rd of February. Today, look at that huge number we've got. We've got 23, and that was one more than yesterday's number, where we had 22 yesterday. So one more makes 23. You can see there's a 2 and a 3. The 2 is actually the 20, so 2 tens. Now, what are we going to be doing today? What fun things we're going to do? Well, first thing is that we are going to be very soon starting our little animal words time. So we're doing that in this video. A little bit later, you will have your choosing time challenges. And once again, we're going to do some fun space learning today. And we're going to think a little bit about that magnificent adventure topic that we're starting. Think of some fun activities you can do as you learn a little bit about space. We're also going to do some of our phonics time. We've got a brand new diagram for you to learn today as well. We are a little bit later going to do some maths challenges, which will be really, really fun. And of course, we love to have a book at the end of the day that we can share and look at together. So that should be super fun as well. Okay, so those are some of the things we're going to do. Now, first of all, I thought what would be quite cool is if I have a go at singing another song with you today. Now I'm going to use, I thought you might like just to see this, Ladybirds. Look, I've got a little minion rubber. I'm going to use my minion rubber to rub out my board where the date is. And I need that in a moment. Now my song today involves blasting off. So I'm going to do a little rocket. So I've got a little space song for you, and it involves a little blast off. So I'm going to do that today. It involves thinking about eyes, because it's got eyes in the song, thinking about looking, and it also thinks about some of the different planets. So I'm not going to draw every single planet, but I might pick one planet that I could think about drawing. Let's just see, maybe, let's just see, I might have a go at choosing this planet, which I think is really, really exciting. And this one has got rings that go all around it. Now, planets are sphere shapes, aren't they? So I've tried to have a think about a sphere shape, what that would look like. And then round this planet, I've drawn what's called an asteroid belt. They're little rocks that go all the way around the planet. Now, do you think you might know what this planet is called? You might know its name. Good effort for trying at home. So this one is Saturn. Saturn has the rings that goes all the way around it. Now my song is going to go a little bit like this. It starts off with a blasting rocket and it goes, if you blast off into space today, you're sure of a big surprise. See if you can join in with that bit. So it goes, if you blast off into space today, you're sure of a big surprise. I'm going to go to the next bit. If you blast off into space today, you'll never believe your eyes. That's my next bit. And then I've got some planets. There's Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and Jupiter, Saturn, amongst the stars. Today's the day you'll fly past Uranus and Neptune. Now that's my little song today. I'm sure you can sing it a little bit more tunefully than what I sing it. You know from last half term that I always practice my singing and try to get a little bit better. But that's our little song today, so you might want to join in with singing that a little bit. Do it one more time with you before we move on. So it goes, if you blast off into space today, you're sure of a big surprise. If you blast off into space today, you'll never believe your eyes. There's Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and Jupiter, and Saturn amongst the stars. Today's the day you'll fly past Uranus and Neptune. That tells us a little bit about some of the planets that are in our solar system. Okay, so Nice little song for us to start with. We're now going to have a go at playing a little game for our animal words time. And I'm going to use my little minion rubber. I'm going to rub out my board. Now to play the game, you might want to get a little bit of paper or your whiteboard or something that you can use in front of you. And then I'm going to draw, if I can show you so you can see. I'm just going to split my board up for paper. So I'm going to split it up into 9 little bits. Now you could always get your grown-up to help you do this at home if you want, or you could have a go at home. And this is going to be a game of bingo. Now you might remember, I think a long time ago I taught you bingo before, so you might know how to play, or you might not be too sure. If you're not too sure, I'm sure your grown-ups will help you a little bit at home. So to play the game bingo, what you can do is decide at home some of the sounds or animal words that you want to put on your bingo board. And you could have one for you and then one for your grown-up at home. I'm going to add in a few animal words from the lion. So I'm going to do C. I'm going to do C. I'm going to do now. Okay. So those are 2 of the new animal words I'm going to learn. I'm going to put in a few of the other older animal words that I want to keep practicing. So I'd like to see if I can practice was and also said. Because I'm not sure I know those ones quite just yet. So I'm going to practice those something. And then I might practice in a few digraphs as well. I might have that's the C, not that actually. I'm going to have some digraphs like ch, ch, ch. I'm going to have sh. I'm going to have a, and I might do. So you create your own little board. Then you and your grown-up can take turns, and some of you might get your grown-up to call out some of the things on your board, and you can see if it turns up. So the first one might be, say, oh, can you see the animal word my? I'd have a little look and say, oh, have I got my on my board? Oh no, I don't have my. I have this one. I thought might be my, because I thought, oh, maybe it's that when I first looked, but I realised that's not that one's because that's not mine. So is that okay? I haven't got one on the first turn. Then you might get another one. Your grown-up might say, oh, can you see if you can have a go at finding the word was? I'm going to go, oh, have I got was on my board? Oh, can I see it anywhere? Was? Yes. I'm going to cross it off because I've got my first point. And to win the game, it's going to be to see who can get a line. Either you could have a line going this way, or you could have a line going this way, or you could even maybe have a diagonal line if you want to for our bingo game. And it's to see who can have a go at getting the first line. Okay. You might even want to have a go doing all of them, and then you do what's called a full house if you manage to cross all of them off. Okay, so that's how you play. So all you need to do at home is have a go at dividing your board up into sections. I would suggest 9 is plenty. Then, if 9 is a few many, you could always just do 6 if that's a few too many to play that game. And then just pick ones from your animal words that you've been working on at home, or you might want to add in a few phonics digraphs, maybe some that you might maybe have forgotten or just want to practice from before half term. And then have lots of fun. Have a little game bingo, see who wins. You could always maybe even do a little prize if you wanted to, couldn't you, at home? Might do that you have maybe a special drink or something special to eat at lunchtime or something like that for your prize. So have fun. I hope you enjoyed your little bingo game and your super learning challenges today. See you later, ladybirds. Bye.